रूस के सदर व्लादिमीर पुतिन ने कहा है कि ईरान को इस बात पर दाद देनी चाहिए कि मगरिब में बाज़ लोगों का ख्याल था कि ईरान अंदरूनी तौर पर तकसीम हो जाएगा, मगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ। फोरम से खिताब में उन्होंने कहा कि ईरानी सोसाइटी मुसलसल मजबूत हो रही है। रूसी सदर ने मजीद कहा कि ना तो ईरान ने कभी रूस से असलहा मांगा और ना रूस ने ईरान को असलहा दिया।
Sorry, you spoke about Iran, and we have to do them credit. Iran manages to assure internal stability within its society. This is an incontestable fact. Once the hostilities started, some in the West thought that the country would crumble from the inside, but it didn't happen. This analysis proved to be erroneous. Quite the contrary. As we can see, the Iranian society is getting increasingly consolidated. You must have seen it, you must have heard it a month ago or so. Once the conflict was launched, the first strikes were carried out. The Iranian regime, the leadership made an appeal